Malay phi baro kibape yakane ko khubor jongi upet ngo cable news kimat bukong sam jong ko khubor menta katayo kilong anyate kular ka sarkar jala bat ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ban ampentut ya ka kamrep halapangap lum jingalang usong knor ka yung dorbar thawan halo ka jingte ya ka yung dorbar thawan bathamai ka Meghalaya bami ka jing persya hapadeng ki bakershan bat ki bapersya lapen sange no ya ka public hearing Say kipulit ya kamet jong uba tropimus banle ya ko autopsi. Kasorkar jala kan sashim karai ban penduna ya ka khajana vat lada ka dor petrol bat diesel kadang kiu shushu. Bat pleu menteri rangba ya ka yeng office batmai jong ka 41 NCC battalion Hatura. Usembot menteri rangba ka jala uba kami ya ka kampo yeng polis uba preston tensong hakasni palai jong ka tayo ula pentip ba kasorkar jala kadang up ya ka jimenjur jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC banya soya ka soskular ban nempentut ya ka kamrep kamriang halapangap. Nalor kani ulaong bakajing persya ya ka public hearing kalong ka babakla namar kani ka jihalang ka de ka lat ban sngap ya ka surbat ka jing sngaw jong kipat ba nong shong shnong laki kersan ne ki persya ya ka karkhana banti ya umaushun.
Abai keren bagi nong patai kubor ka
even both the villagers they do agree on the ground that okay, we will allow for the cultivation of paddy, and even our friend from Karbi Anglong side, they can also join the cultivation. They can also do the cultivation over there, but not tree plantation. Because see, the condition is no tree plantation. Because the moment you do tree plantation means tree plantation is a permanent one, where it will grow after 10 years, 15 years. So therefore, the villagers they said, please, we will not allow you about the tree plantation. However, paddy field cultivation,
Uli tu bagi sarkar Meghalaya, bagi sarkar Assam,
will also work together. So the ground reality right now is we are waiting from the this council side of Karbi Anglong. I think I'm sure they will ultimately agree to what the both the villages agreed. Well, in fact, today again, our officials were there in the spot. And I'm very sure from Assam side, they must have realized one thing, that the present position of those area where the cultivation takes place was started from time immemorial, and also till today they continue the cultivation over there, which ultimately means that the land possession falls under these people. So, you know, in fact, we have already, CM has already spoken with the Chief Minister and then the CM of Karbi Anglong, this council, discuss about all this issue. And ultimately that day when they had a meeting, we told them it is good that from both the government, we will not step in. Let both the villagers, through the Rangba Shnong they had meant, let them sit down and talk among themselves, because see, they cannot leave each other. You talk of Lapangap or you talk of Lampat, they cannot leave each other. So therefore that day they discussed, and in fact they already agreed also that cultivation can start. Cultivation, the paddy field can start. But the only issue is, they said, we need to also get some kind of green signal from the CM of the District Council. So we have already communicated to the District Council that even both the villages, they do agree on the ground that okay, we will allow for the cultivation of paddy field, and even our friends from Karbi Anglong side, they can also join the cultivation. They can also do the cultivation over there, but not tree plantation. Because see, the condition is no tree plantation. Because the moment you do tree plantation means tree plantation is a permanent one, where it will grow after 10 years, 15 years. So therefore the villagers, they said, please, we will not allow you about the tree plantation. However, paddy field cultivation, we allow, and we will also work together hand in hand. So the ground reality right now is we are waiting from the this council side of Karbi Anglong. I think I'm sure they will ultimately agree to what the both the villages agreed.
Ka Hills Farmers Union HFU kan ujor sha ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Halo jing sha khang bat jing sha penwet kinong rap kala pangap ha West Chantia Hills. Ha ki breu ka Assam ka blakta ai ka yok khokot jongki. U General Secretary ke HFU ba ia kharsantiu ulapan pau ba kene ka kam kala jwat ba bat ke district level kan omla asyo ban penbet kum ta kadan kam penban ya ki menteri rang ba jong bro artli ke jela ban chim khia hidala dia bat banwara aka sha ka jing chong sok. Kat kum gajing thu ba kharsantiu kajing elang peace committee kablalong hakasan bat khat pratrik ujemang arajar arpun rio kim shimla kular ai nama kajing kelaktian bat kajing kelamat dawa ki ngilam Karbi nengkong ki Karbi ki ekran halor ki basha akem hakakam penyap brio bat lakular bansha ikinong lapangap banirap haka pratrik ujemang penban akatagasngi kinong lapangap kila sha khang haki puret Assam bat sha siat mau haki Karbi Hakajing ilang ka bobot pat ki Karbi kila penkala da kamat tamai da ka badawa bantung dieng batung siat haki klau bat lengka bamarjan kabala peleng mo ya baro namar kala pangap kala pensyai bakila bantung tang yaki marrep om yaki jing tung dieng na sensar hagini kajing ilang baro kam shimladon kajing ikran halor kajing kini put usam ne kajing tho ekano kono ka resolution namar baro arliang kisania ak sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya ban penbet Ndrai ka belengo apat kalong babalay kim sya ban rep suk ya kinong syong kalapangap.
Ya kani ka peace talk ka baningkong. Kadai ka ba nang tay na po ki perlok ka jungi na Karbi ki pan na ka state government bat khamtam na USP ban pin itu ya kita ki beriu ki balak kem hakatu kapor basya penyap utu u oriwal timong. Kata kadai ka baningkong. Te hadian hakatu ka singihi na kaliang jong SP ula kular batang sudah kani ka meeting unsa ai ka press briefing bat ru ban pha ka report bat ya kata ka report ru ngilayo kopi na kaliang jongi bala tho e ka kerteng jong kita ki breu ki bala syakem bat ru la ai ru ya kidor katkum ka jingkwa jongki te henrei USP ula keranchai ru bakasyong ha ka kod namar begini ki breu ki bala syakem kilayo bill kilayo ya ka bill te USP uang batang ba ya kani ka kam kadang don ha ka kut ban bishar ya ka bat banang wat benia ya kani ka kes hadin kata nakaliang ka jong kita ki prok jongi na Karbi ki ong aipor ngi ars ngi bangin ra ya kani ka kubor ceki pat Karbi ban pin sngo thu ro yaki ya ka ai ka bangilayo ya kani ka report bat hadin nang ta ha ka pratarik pin sayo kamumut santarik hendru tarik banyo tarik pratarik pilayo ban rap te henrei inda lapoi pada kata ka pratarik habi kinong rap jungi kilek ban salingka kadon ka jingkhang na ki pulit Assam bat kadon ka jing penwit da ka bagi siat ki jeri kawang de kimau nang tei na po Karbi bat ka klam urlong te dei namar kata kadaw ka sa pelong biang ya ka district administrative both side SP DC magistrate BDO ki don lang ha ka to ka meeting ha ka pratarik pada na ka benta ban pin sngo thu ikini ki arteli gisnong kanang ba ginwara ikalinti jo ka jing esok te henrei hakatu ka khat pratarik pade ka kelano kata ka jing ekran kamdon chu ya kata ka demand ka baki ong baki 4 hun lani kim ki klam ong chu baki ni ki breu ki bakem ka klampoi chu kata henrei kala poi no pade ba balai msya bantung din yaki hakatu ka jaka ka kelano kata ka jing ekran te hadin nang tu nakaliang joki nakasnong lapangap kila krenchai ba katu kasngi bangim dan problem yaki nong tapat ani kinong lapangap wat bantung hakatu ka jaka ka ba ka badang theli ka ba kiakam bro arngut bro ar snong mata te henrei ka basngausi kalong ba nakaliang joka snong lapangap kila kranchai ba fila bantung tang yaki seasonal crop fila bantung using fila bantung saw jor kubi kan ba fikwa tang ba ni persya kum bangi persya ikanong snong dala pangap ru bakim dei bantung ya usinsar namar utu dei permanent crop nimsya bantung ikiding namar utu ru dei permanent crop te henrei ka ba hakani ka jingya lenti ka jongi ka jingya keren kamdon kata kajing keren ba ong ba kadai kajing keliput kamdon kata kajing keliput baro arteli ngi songtu bet ba ya kalan demarcation ni shania ha ka sarkar ni galaya ba sarkar Assam ban penbet te henrei menta ka bu kajing keli udak cikli ba he ba balai pade umsya ikinong rap jungi ban hiar halingka ban rap adu menta namar kani ka kata adu kata kadai ka bangibu ya udak jingkeli ba he te dei namar kata kadaw ngi kerpat ya kitu ki perlok kejungi ki badan hapok karbi ba kidai ban kelathia keladem ban ailat ya kinong rap kejungi ban litrap namar kapor kamran show
Teka ika rai bagi siempat haka tu kesengi pa.
hakatu ka singi ka katpraterik jong u panaime hakatu ka meeting ka jing yakaran kalong ka bajrong ba Henry Kamdan watang ka jing sya ban tho ya kanu ka resolution ka ba hakatu ka meeting
Teka ika jing yo i jong pi halor kani ka jing penlong ya kani ka peace committee pa tu kan penra ya ka ban solve ya ka problem tarai.
Haka jing i jonga namar ba menta kasnong tapat kamla su ban rai namar menta kila menta pedi kinyat syaka wei ka komiti ka baki ong border area committee ka balakli daki katu kan ningon te hang tu ki in kentubro ki wei ki seng ki badan haka tu ka border area committee nang tina pokarbi te kani kasnong tapat kanyat no syaki but kadba nakaliang ngayu i haka tu si nakaliang ka administrative kim respon than ya ka border area committee namar kim da sutu than ya ka jungmut jungki ya ka komprikam duki te henry nga i bakani ka kan juat bah namar ba ya kani umla ban solve na ka district level but umla ban solve ru na ka village level te imat kani nga thrai ka kadai bestang ka intervene jong u chief minister bat ru ban pensyong khop ikat tu kat ni ki ba kwa ban penduk ya ka chong sup sanya kita gi application
Ulampang kayang dobar thoan ke jela u Thomas E Sangma hakisni balang jong katayo ulalum ya ke jialang ban bisyar ke kam ki jam hakabe dai ba ka jingtai ya kayang dobar thoan ke bathamai hamau diang.
Hakani ke jingalang ke belalum du ulampang kayang dobar thoan ke jela lawan banishim bentar u sembut menteri rang ba ke jela u bakmiru ya ketenat parliamentary affairs u ba president Tensong ki consultant project management consultant bat ki officer katanat PWD IT cell bat ke National Informatics Center. Banetai sani halo gejingtai ke yang dorbar bat kiwe ki kam. Ulampang ke yang dorbar tauan ule pentip ke jingyat jegi kam ki jam baro kalong ke bahun bat ukerman scam ban pendap ke jingtai ke yang dorbar tauan ke betamai ha ke por ke balabu. Ha ke bedai begejing sapriang gejing kento ke rensan social media halo gejing bambiang ke tenum jong yang dorbar. Ulampang ula pensyai bagadai ke belash penhe syabab palat pot bat ke baja kalong ke basngosi bat ulama ham persya ya gejing ai gejing tip ke babakla bat kentu ki patba bikin kiar na gabapan sapriang hai kerensan social media ya gejing tho baklem pentikena ki balak ban pestok bakla bat bapenca buram ke tenat trekam jong yang dorbar tawan ka jela
along with all the consultants and also the PMC and all the related departments like PWD, IT cell, NIC, and other departments. We are reviewing the progress of work of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building, which we are trying to finish according to the deadline that has been prescribed. So we have reviewed it and we have found the work progress is satisfactory. Recently, there were some posts and comments on the social media regarding the repairing work which was being done, corrective work which was being done on the roof of one section of the assembly building, which was I think was blown out of proportion, which is very unfortunate. I would, while appreciating the criticism or in a constructive way, we welcome all the suggestions and comments, but I would also like to use this platform and use this opportunity to request the public to refrain from posting without verifying the facts and without giving a bad name to our assembly building. That's all.
Kakan huan ki kle nong sensyar bat ki rang ba kahima sora hakase palai jong katayo kelapen pau bahaduk menta kam shimlayo pedang ya ka city na ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban penlong ya election jits im kahima sora bat lada kadang penslam ban ai sanat ya uba marem dors im komus im kahima sora kam ban se ban let mudui shakibor jong ka an
Kakenhuan ki klik nosen syar bat kiri orang ba ke hima sora kila kentat ke jingtmu ke KHADC ban pelong election jet CM bat kila berngamru ban lech ki yang syari la ke council kerang penselen ban ai sanat ya uba maremdor CM. Ka council kala kentat ban ai sanat ya uba maremdor ke bakam budan sawai kurtong uba PCM. Ubatmu menikon ya ke election na ke benta ke ket CM. Penman secretary ke kenhuan uba VB Rembai ula pensyai bagani ke kerteng kami tang ha council nomor uba PCM Syumlawan Mi Satya ha gedor bar hima ke belalong ha kalai trik unai wiang kasenam arjar arpusan. Ka kenhuan kala kentok tenge ke council ke bala pentron ke riti dustur bat ke ba pensa omdom ki kon ki hajar nomor nado balatang yaus paem Freeman Sings bat bakahima kalapha ya ki shiti bonsin ado kalai trik no pra arjar arpusan. Ka council kam shimna jubab otang ka weruk shiti ne ban pensyah lo ka daw jing penslam ya ka sanan. Uba VB Rembai ula pensyai bakat kum kariti dustur uba maremdor CM ude ubla jet bat menjor dabar ki raj bat ki khatwei shnong ban long CM ba bujeli. Bat ado menta amdan ki yang persyai ha kahima. Nagaliang usadar shnong ren uat uba admin khongsa ula maham teng ba kajing bamdan CM bapura kelawan ra ya kajing syak kelun jaka. Berkelak ban penmi ki huri hura ke jingi snam ne ke jingi rawaj apok ke shnong kahima kumta ula kentu ya ke district council ka bakam ba ke iya ke jat benreo ba riti ke dastur ban pen stat no ke jing ai sanat ba amaremdor kenang ban penbet ya kan ia ke kenram
ti nakaliang ke junga bat ia men cha ka bidai bat ka ilaka ila ban biang ke ju hi kumbang ila cukren ka por ba ngidang update yai acting chief ba in pendep ya ka kamram ka bangi pha na kani ka office ku jongi ba in penbiang ya ki electors ti kata kadi ka jing kadang don ka jing sateng na kaliang ka jongi ba in penbet ya kita ki electors ti na ka liang ka jongi ila ai ka assurance mentan ba in pen state ya ka kam ba in layo ya kita ki electors in saya ya ka kam ko ba dei ba soal syakhamat kapor tinggal ong yaki mana kalian ngajong ki kinbu timeline bat ki badai bat ki kur na ni bat ki menteri ni te namar ba dong ka proses ka khamlong lengdi kat kum gajing song thu ujung ni namar pihak ban replace ki ban lech ki kur ban yo ek recommendation jong ki kur ni kita berkhoi ti specifically kam da don ek timeline hendring ong yaki kat bakila ban pendep kloi kadang khamba ti specifically ka timeline ni khambu hi yaki tang bade ka shong haki pade la kila ban pendep kham kloi ni la ban pendep ka kam ka bede bat ka hima sola
Unak lang council kan perlong dak election jinggit
oh kum mangila kren do kini ki banai bla adap bangi ha ban le bet daka election namar mangila don so candidate melawan ban apply ban penitu di naka post ka por ya tai ka de ju comments ka bangi ila ai chiki pa ba no song snong ka thai ni ma so raro bagen so thu bangi ha ban rely bet ka natural justice la da don menu bakwa ban wan chakmat ban khun yang ni ka khet jong ka jinglong sin thi tingi ha ban ai by chance we
atau kelong jing sya bu to ba PCM umde shu to nong song shnong jong ta ka hima so rabat nun ke khuni te action ra kam dan hok ta riti jong ta ka hima so ka log jing sya
na keren ni kita namar ba mo ni na kalian jong office ni le kat bangila bangin ya penbet ya ka kam ti kata ka bom hok ti ka shong haki ti kata ka pen kenya ka riti ka dustur giru na do singi ka basdang ila ong bet ba ka dai tang ka procedural labs ni kam ya keren ya kata kariti ka dustur ni rely bet ya procedural labs kuno bangin ni penbet ya kata ka procedural labs ka bagi dei bat kini ka jinglong jong ka hima sola bat ya kata ka jong ka jinglong badai ni bom dei jong ta candidate te ni na kalian jong district council ni numla ban determine menta ni ha ban pet iki kot kisla da wan ban bu iki kot kisla shani ti hadu menta kumangila ong na ka pos ka por ba ula don candidate ula wan bani kendu em in charge ngiru ba udon kata ka jingtu ban yele ikani ka election ban yakun ya CM sora tingin ya ai la namar ba kadai ka kalenti kata along natural justice mo bangi ha ban ai long pi ka kam da dei ka jing ai jingmut long ki shukwa ban bangin pen scam na kaliang ka jungi ka district council ya ka communication ka bangin ai ki na ni shakmat kan long ka ba ka daga jingtho ka ba kiru kila ban bu report sa ka office ka jongki tin na kaliang ka jungi ringi smudai hi na ma bro sha tu ngila shue keren daga ktin ngila shu batha ya ka kam ka ba acting CM madu ka sngi ka bangi ni thungi i ku acting chief ba kini ki kam lai sautali ki ba ha ban pendep kerki no
ti mentah pada la kat kum kejingwan kejongki ha bakila erai ti kwa da kejing thoi nangi ya ka lenti ka ba acting chief acting chief de manshim tingi rungi ya ngin sapet kini kini singi ngin sa ai ka badal kam ban ai ha ka bede bat ka kam jongkai masora
namar ba biong ba kaya diskusi ka kwa ban ya kun election tere kini kun election ban lo gai namar ba ngi ngai jit pa yo ski ma ba tere ito ko wan mele pro ko ta sa na tingin jit pat kuno ma makki wala sa na ba proceeding bang na jit usi ma ba tere
la ka district council ka singau bakatan kam ban jit election ka de ban a ge tip sa ma dan sa ka kan di kai sa ma kum bang ang yi ka jos ka ju na do blaga ko sim na ai city kan ko ni sa district council nai tang ko ai city kan di ba kamu ini to pentrek election dan kamu ini mai senat maramdon na taka daw kamu dan kupum kata kapensani ko undung pensani longo ni taka en jena glom bakko himasara ni mai senat maramdon na kan daw ni rasa andai ko magawat panela election misal ke pag election na ko man panela election dai bando ni le sa ko wai blada ka don ni tmu panela sisya pan panela election nado like direct lani nado benar ba khala baru nung kan tertib sini kalau masuk wasu yimna benai sana jadi ngin penilaian election misal nah ada unta kan padong kita company kan election kan padong ka wei ka jing thok berdiskonsir kan pas kena bang penilaian election rai kalau ka masuk ran kan election yang baik lo ka hok ka sikente kabang ilasay sim yo marindos iya upam dan mano persyaan jin dan tahu isi mereka ni kayu lada hakat kadalba lai tarik na karoi anda pesan uang ni hakat bersangai sangsi ni hakat bersangai nama peladon gaji apa sih hendak uang bakal terhadu mentar ngampadu itu pada uang saya kahima budon saya kayak terang menilai bunwan sikendo ini ikan hol kita sampai tangan we belum bet menilai na kata-kata hiperkat pun hendai ke kami ke planet kami tangan destinasi
Hagasi to adien jong kata yo ki bor penya district jong ke East Janta Hills ki lahap ban pensange no ya ke public hearing ne ban sngap ya ke sur jong upai ba halo ke jing tmu ka company Shri Cement ban te ya emotion hashnong lom serman ha East Janta Hills Hendrai kene ke public hearing kala pulom no ba lahap ban pensange no ya ka hadien ba kalami ke jing persya hapadeng ki ba kersan bat ki ba persya ya kata ke company
Kajing temu ban penlong ya ke public hearing halau ke project di motion dan ke company Shri Cement Limited lah ban petsangi ano hadian kajing mi ka jing persya ke bajur ha ke jakabel penlong ya ke public hearing ha East Janta Hills. Karai ban petsangi ano kadai ke belashim di bor sin charge nong bat ke officer ke district kenang ban la ban penne ya ke syong suk syong san kam tam hadian balami kajing elek persya padang kiba persya bat kiba kersan ya kene ke project. Kani kamat ban penlong ya ke public hearing ha ke arpu arterik mentau Jembang na ke bentak kejing terwa banti motion da ke Shri Cement Limited halum serman ha ke tan East Janta Hills. Kelasaki ya kejing iki ni kinhon baper. Kinong syong ke ilaka nong klia rengkat kiseng balang ki bakentup ya ke GNC bat GSU kilawan sya kanong ba shlong men ha ka khat kandai trik Jembang bat ke arpu trik Jembang kila penlong ya kejing ki ha office of deputy commissioner pat ha East Janta Hills bat hak arpu trik Jembang keladon kejing kulmar hak office of deputy commissioner na kejing mantur kinong kersan ya ke public hearing belawan ra ya kejing mensau ya kinong syong ha ke arpu arterik Jembang kesni balabo ban penlong ya ke public hearing keladon kejing kang lenti kinong manishim benta syakane ke public hearing ha ke bagi lebo di mau ki bahe ki dieng ki bahe bat ya kane le ileng bagi video balapha de kinong yalam ke hito ki belahir manishim benta ke public hearing halenti ladon ru ketrok ke bakang lenti ke bahadian ke ketrok ladon ki batang ha ke jaka bapelong ya public hearing kalami kejing ya kawang mau kejing ya kawang syuki bat kejing ya ke bala penlong ya officer ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban rai ban pensange no ekne ke public hearing kat haduk ban bena dakum wei pat
Itu ayo burung nam se habalo. Baik. Please. Up sure. Baik. Serap nam.
Ban pen bor ya ke Sarkar Jala bahkan pen sangat no ya ke jing temu ban pen long ya ke public hearing hasinong lum serman ha ke snge ba ar jong ke tayo ki khot jong ke JSU JNC bat ke nong shong shnong ka dai stong kilawan ban pen long ya ke jing ya pat ba har sor shlong hnrei kila sha pen sangat no ya ke jing temu ban let Tor Secretariat haki bor penya district bat haki pulit hendrai la ailat yakin yalam bakin le yakren bat semput menteri rang ba ka jala ubas niau bhalang thar hendrai kila pen pau ba ka jingalang kam shim lalong ka basaiso
Shri Siman go back go back down MD government down Shri Siman go back
Kidkhot bagi nong alam ke JSU JNC lem bagi nong shong gadai stong haga khat pratre jemang arhajar arpun rio ila pelong ya kejingat patba ban penpau kejing persya halo kejing temu ke sarkar ban penlong ya ka public hearing kebala temu ban penlong haga arpu artre jemang arhajar arpun rio haga shnong lom serman na kebentaban ailat ke company Shri Siman banti emotion ha East Gentle Hills ya kini kejing ki la sedang da kejing lom Shah Hamadan Malki berhata kilayat Syakatan Civil Hospital Bantur Secretariat Mereka pulet kila care da kejing ka ha katan mau benar ha IGP bat penbon ni kebor pahara ban khanglat deki kumta kiseng balang kilayat chukmat ban penlong da kejing lang patba ha gede kejaka habakran batu presiden ke JNC uba Sambor Milindo ula pendram jorok sarkar MDA bat kila kedau baka kaipot jangka EIA kalong beturmur Namar lashim keliang ba penenkam di kendon jaga Gujarat SEIAA. Kabadai ka projek ka Gujarat penban la keno bla pnia so pat ka bat ka Meghalaya. Kini ki gila penpauru ikjeng sokya ba ka disaster management plan kalong ka balarim. Bat ka ba penenkam dari seismic standard ki bala pendamno. Haka ba kilaong bana kaliang ka KHADC de ban ai kejeng menjur kurah po ka 6th schedule dan depan Kenya ki an juga di Syari. Ulang bagani ke company ke lepen Kenya ke Land Transfer Act ngadu ke senam belalet. Dah kabak kila yok bantiat jaka penban ke sarkar kam syem kya. Bat ke lepenyat bet ke public hearing dah kebor. Lepen syai bagi jingki ke dai persyak ke sarkar MDA balada ke sarkar kala ban pendam ki projek halum pongdeng ke dai ru ban weng ke projek hadai stong. Lem de yorot ke hok tepat ba kabala ban penlong yaki benelak persyak ya ke election steng samoy banjiat yunong dikmat ke Lok Sabha. Uba Sambor Milingdo ulak tengok teng ru ya ke GHADC da ka ba keno ba Chief Executive Member yang darbar ulak ran syai usap penbor ke sarkar jela banai NOC syaki karkana pen midupilat umta ulak kentu ke sarkar ba andai bantu kelar ke bor jeng district council kemudian ke bor baneda ke kendo ke syah kini ki gila penkot agar rensan bakin sepenlong biang da kejing jalang ke baham he bat kena mai lat cu agar kom sensyar ke balong kom kejing sensyar di mafia apok kejela
Andre ngi iba ka sarkar ka snap da kejing syak tengan tayo la sil da ka sarkar kam snap ngin haban syak tengan ngin haban pelong ya kejing ki ba per kumbang yong pi mene mentang idang wan da kejing jai da ka sarkar kam snap ngin wan da kejing bitar ngin wan da ka mensem ban yele compare dengan haban ni kun persya shwa ki bor jong ka andru ngin yakun Andre ngi nakal yang ka jongi ka ba syangi pa syaka sarkar jela banadu mentang ka sngingim la shuban pediang ya kene kejing sensyar kejing aibor ya kene ki mafia bikin yurat ya ka hok jong ki patba bangi na kaliang ka JNC ka JSU ba kinong song ikwa ban phai khindiat chaka e ka bala dia menshim snam na market kane ka jing sedang jong ka Shri Cement ka de nadu menshim snam ngila lap apo kane ka EIA jong kane ka company ba kila thik bi anya kine ki jaka kila wailet ya kata ka an jong ka district council kila wailet ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act Henry habangi na kaliang ka JNC hakato ko por ngila bu jingtho chaka sarkar chaki department ki ba per Henry hadu mentang yim yo jubab Henry ka sarkar kala penyaj beje kato ka public hearing da ka bale da ka bor yangi kiseng balang kila blok daki dampa daki trok hashteng lenti bad ya kinong song jong kidai stong kila blok kine ki gang jong kane ka sarkar MDA Henry mentara pat kitmu yang man pelong ya kane ka public hearing dengi hi na kaliang ka JNC ba ka JSU ngis ngo persya ya kane ka jingle jong ka Shri Cement kabaar nang taru ka e ka bangila ba kane ka iya ka ba menta ka jong ki kalong baya ka TOR ni kata ka terms of reference la penbiang da ka government of Gujarat da kita ki siya ba ki ka special appraisal expert committee jong ka government of Gujarat menta kumno kane ki kot kisla ki bala penbiang da ka government of Gujarat kinla ban pentrekam apo ka jela ka jongi kata ka we ka question ngibu ya ka government dangi kuar bo piki media pin sebut den ya kane kabaar kin depend ha kane ka EIA jong kini ki company what shikanten kam don kata ka mention ya ka JHADC ka bade kata ka institution lane kata ka jaka ka bapet ya ka hok ka jongi kitrai muluk baar nang taru kila asna ya ki anya kita ki an ki bala ayap lupa long shipon ki ba kini ki company kila wilet kendre wat nak EIA ke jong kiru ka pen isai ba kimpat biang andre ke ba pelong susu yang iban wan hadu shilong ka long POE dang mana kini kisni kala don ka we ka statement ka jong we nong elam ilaka baong ba ka ilaka kala kang persya ya ki nong elam seng balang ban wan lucia le ne ban wan treka ma pok ilaka nong kle kini hi ka long ka ka rai ka ngila ban ong ka de ka rai ka ba shul ikran shong shit na ka jing ma jole se kila sha elam bakala nakwa ban pengkemau bang ngidang kemau hau arajar khat sau khat san kala don ka jing cha pendu le ka jing cha slot no ya ka bor jong kirang ba snong tang na kada uwe urang ba snong ubala tach snong ya unong song snong na marka anyo kari India kam sha ban tach snong ya no nong song snong jong kari India de kene ka jing le ka jong ka ilka nong kleru kala ban po sha do kene ka benta subo benta la dangi kum kiseng bahalang kila don ki perlok seng bahalang ki jongi ki baong ngin habat nyat da ka PIL ya kene ka jing le jong ka ilka nong kle Sementara dangin ya jaki ain deka PIL syeduk sya high court dan syeduk sya kikut ki beper ke banjia ya ki dorbar ilaka ki jongi tang nak kedau ke jingle start jong uni uwe udoloi namar menta hapok ka ain jong kari India ngidon ka hok ban yeki ngidon ka hok ban sna ki seng balang te menta wat ke sarkar hapok short silong menta ngidang pelong jingi ki ke sarkar kadang ailat yangi hadu Delhi ngidang pelong jingi ki ke sarkar ka ailat Andre uni usketri jong kene ke ilaka nong kle mau bolong halor ya ka district council mau bolong halor ya ka sarkar jela bon shimkum ya kene kirai tengi kwa ba ka sarkar ru kan te lakam ya kene ki kam tam ya ka district council shwa ba ka ding kan pulu nama ladangi haban ya chakot ngiting yo kan jia ban kum ha arjar khat sau khat san ba kan don par ka jing cha slot na ka bor jong ki doloi jong ki ilaka ki jongi tengim kwa ba kata kan jia kumta
dengan yin percha dari yang public hearing OWM ha karasiang ubnai di sembar kat kendi teri iyen teli dotslong ilaka dotslong destong opo WM ilaka nokli de di yen teli ba di goroi yiki ile de MT3 simen hatsnong yo I snoi ide jindo yo I bokru ni bahai aminong chotnong hotnong desto do mani brui wado iwebe te I bomi ite idhori wado klo de kadam hete toy watna ga desmen te wat roti idang peten jang lelu ti baji hado ate teri arpu arteri yong nu benaya te pete I boy yete public hearing halom saban te ngadu wa makat ar khalis ne mirta yonga ya abi upanga chaite ilum serman te lakhai is hor is brit bat bet ro yu kuba yu kho yo ite bo mi de te biang te lewan jung de te jingkit yong I ito I wakhia untoi westi yiki pendab yu de po yong I de te yo I kite za Bipsa ite khon ite nat yong i. Tara to am te ngayin persa. Amanong chong destong po ilakan kli. Ngayin persa. Ibenta yong ane trismen. Arhoy i emo hate po chnong yong i. Wat i wile i jingdo i bokru. Dodo i khon ni nat yong i hipetin piji yong i. At no jing si i jing yam jing thang ni sini. Hado nes ni. RM lat aluki wakang lat yate trisi men ipoyo higi. Tara to amte ngas no jindu bora kini por wa ong boy menstep mendewi hipete ni pezi yonga hui khoni nara iraat khargi mo ile deo kimo denai la tho denai la mara I bedo akisare tamnoi le hoi hiya bi khoni nar yong I ngas no ar hoi tawa at hanga irta yong boy ar yuki at hipetin pezi yong tip amno ada to ar yu hipetin pezi yong jing pudu nora dung musina dibenta yong ite petin yong ite menret yong I ta ada to amte nga percha jora dibenta yong ada sisimen ipoyo hachna yong I
ka sarkar baka jingi ki jongi menta kam deshu tang ya ka shri simen andre ka jingi ki ka jongi menta kan de directly ya ka MDA government namar kumbaga ang menelada ka sarkar jilla kalaban withdraw ya ka Taj hotel mo hapo lumpang dang kan ayu ya ka sarkar jilla ban withdraw ya kan ka shri simen napo kan ka elkanong khle te ngi kum ka seng ngimbanse namar lada ka sarkar ka yura ya ka hok jong pajba ngimbanse wat ban yelap persya kan ka sarkar ru kan ka MP ka bansawan lada ka sarkar kam sengap yang ngimbanse bangihap ban yelap persya namar habakut hi ban kelai ki sistem ban yada yang ngidan kami kata ka political power ngidan kami kata ka political will tengi I ka jing start jong ka sarkar ka ba ka sarkar kan rai halor kan ka jingi ki ka jongi ba ka basya ngin ang ba ka jingi ki ka jongi kan long be ya ka sarkar MDA ba di ki mafia ki jongka
Hal kejingelang hapneng usumbut menteri rang ba kejela ba senyaw pelanggar bat kinong nikmat ke GNC JSU lembat kinong syong ke daistong. Halo kejing persya ke public hearing na kebenta kejing temu banti emotion ke Shri Cement Factory kani kejingelang kam syamlalong ke beseso. Hakani kejingelang kisang balang kil IT ke dorkas bat usumbut menteri rang ba kejela ulah pular ba ke sarkar kan bishar benia asya kejing ujor bala keno shwa ban syemekarai ke bakat do. Harin kejingelang Presiden ke GNC ubak sambor mileng do ulitho ba kejingelang kelong ke bamseso namar bu sembut menteri rang ba kejela ula penpau ba kebor kam dan hau badon hak bane keransha bad menteri rang ba kejela ubak mi ya tenat forest kabare pen ai ya ke environmental clearance na kaliang keseng balang kila pensyai ba ke environmental impact assessment EIA jong ke Shri Cement kelong ke bebean bad ke bayalam baklai ke sarkar kumta kila kentu ban pensange aswai ke public hearing Kinong alam kila penpau igijing sokya bagi try jong karkhana ki penan kam da ki kenhon gang ban khanglat ki try shnong ha public hearing ke balalen. Bat kidawa ba ke sarkar ke deban penne igijing shongsok nang bagi nong shnong ki niok ban pen sngopat ba. Namar kane ka jingti emotion kan kata ikijakarep ka kram ke papau nam ba ka waliten. Kila bo jing keliru balai lakhot ya kalung serman kum ke shnong ha ba tang ulum. Bagi kwa ban tip syai lano bat mano ba ai ya ke NOC. Halor kani da ka pemaham balada ke sarkar ka penlong bet ka public hearing kan pausai ba kani ka karkhana ka dai ke jengkin brio ke sarkar aku bai pat kaliang uba senyaw balang dhar ula pensai ba ke sarkar jela kan sabishar benia e borok jeng ujor bat ka wei pokoi ke kendon syaban shemekarai ke bakat do baru ulong balada kani kan sange ne kan nyat bet menta nrei menteri rang ba ke jela dan hasilong ha ka bakum ke por bat anda urawan pai un sekren bat halor kene kam nang banwat benia la ki kendon baro ya renti ne am.
That is the reason because Emerson station so when he comes I'll connect with him because mainly they objects about environmental clearance something so it falls not for us so I have to share with Chief Minister since he's in charge for us.
Concerns about the paddy fields and the area is
That is right. Whether they explain to me, they flag off this to me. So you see, this everything has you see to set up a cement plant. Always, we should. I think maybe the company or from the government side, from the department concerned, they should follow all the process accordingly. So we are yet to find whether the process has been followed accordingly or not. And that is one of the reasons why I request them, okay, let us wait when CM comes, so I'll discuss with this other non-chief minister accordingly.
Ngi batu deputy CM kalong kabam sesa nama rekat deputy CM uang bakabor kamdan hanga. Uhap banikran batu CM uang. Handai ka jing sisang ila kran syai how deputy CM ru bakane ka EIA jong kane ka Shri Cement kalong illegal. Namar ki klem ya kat kum ki ain ki kendon jong ka state bat jong ka central hi borak away. Tangila kran ya kata handai nak kaliang deputy CM tang kata ka way uang ingi ba unsai kran bat chief minister. Tangila ong roi uba ladalong kabala postpone shoya kene ka public hearing but re-examine ban kendang mi ikot kisla. Namar kumbang kalong mentah kene ka Shri Cement ka ilam bakla ya ka sarkar jela. Tendre na kaliang deputy CM ngin siong na kumno tangkatay ong ingi unsay kran baru CM. Pina kaliang jongi ngikwa ba kene ka public hearing kan long kan pensengya namar ngila yo ke bala aja kene ki public hearing bala dep jong kene ka company ki padan kam da kigang watang ki trasnong ru kimyo lat ban simbentah kene ka public hearing. Ta ka hi ka jing tumu lada kene ki ka sarkar ka ailat kene ka public hearing kin use the same policy. Tengila kentu ya ka sarkar maka day ban maintain ya ka law and order kenang ba kinong song mangi kisang bahalang inyo ban pensengau ya ka hok ka jong ina mar ka public hearing hi ka de ka jaka bangin pensengau pai ba. Namar pi kene ka jaka le ki mut ban le ya ka mines kan kata ya ba ro kan kata ya kini ki krem ki balongkum ki tourist place kan kata ya ka wa liten. But ngis ngoplar ba kumno ki khot ya kene ka lum sarman ka shinong namar kene ka lum sarman kam de ka shinong ka detang ka lum. Tengi lengo ru ba menu ba INOC ya kene ka public hearing ngimti badu mentah. Tolong ikwa ba ka sarkar kan examine kenya ki kor kisla jong kene ka Shri Cement. Handa ka jingi ki ka jong ikanum kut tanghang ne handa ingin sa pelong ki jingi ki akmat DC office. Kumban syupenti pi haden bangi kum ka JNC ba ka JSU ngila submit jing tho. Syaki ministry jong ka sarkar India ka BDP ya ka environment. Kila pharu ka jing tho syau DC jong ka East Jaintia Hills. Boun re-examine ya kini ki complaints ki jongi laki ki de shishan am. Handa ngimti hadu mentah ka ka ba new DC ulale handa ya ka ne rungin sa budit. Kaliang ka sarkar hik lada kalong kumbakran une o deputy CM nganget bakin sa padsangya hiya kene ka public hearing namar ngidon kisaki ki babiang kibangila submit sa ka sarkar bakane ka EIA jong kene ka Shri Cement kalong illegal
misleading.
Kalong ru ka ba yalam bakla tela da ka sarkar hi ka penlong be kene ka public hearing ta ka panisyahi bakane ka company ka de ka jong ka sarkar lani jong ki brief ki jong ka nakata ka daw ka interest adu kane kala don ka jing uroj ya kinong snong kala don ka jing pengken ya ki anjong ka sarkar jela bat kala don ru ka jing yalam bakla ba kumno ka kot bala pedang ha Gujarat an penteri kam Meghalaya lada ka sarkar kam screen ya kini kam examine ya kini ka panihi ba ka sarkar kala afir.
Hashwa bangin kimi iki kubwa ke bedang sa ngina phashwa shipor sa kini ki jing penbana.
Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanirba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy, is surrogacy legal in India, how surrogacy is done, for all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kani ka pisa. Kali jono kani. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang di.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por khamo.
Sister, hapsiu kat noma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut iki jing separo. amar man kaway pakaway kaminsim kalong kabakordor.
Habapai biang Shaki Kubor, Superintendent of Police SP ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivex A Mulong, baki pulit kedang up ya ka kaipot jong ka postmortem banlap ya ka dautan rai halor ke jing yap uba trupimus kong maulo hadian bekila say biang ya ka met jong u hakala asking ublay banle ya ka postmortem haba okpa jong u trupimus ula keno ba ukun jong u ula klat na ke jing shasho hadu bandayap haurang ba shnong bat kidkhat jong ka Village Defence Party kashnong pinter USP ula pensharu baka jing yo jamin ka sonam Raghuvanshi kadai halor kanong rim baka don ke jing bakla tho ya unambar jongka kendon an balapan ngat yaka
Haga jing peniak cakamat ya jing kaket halor ke jing yap Trofimus Superintendent ki pulit ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivex M ula pensyai di bor pulit kedang ap ka kaipot jong postmortem bantip dikenai ke dau penrai ke belak penlong yu uba kla kene ke jing pensyai kalami hadian bagi bor magistrate Nursla Subdivision rengkat ki pulit bat ki doktor ke penlong ya ke jing klong biang ya ke met yap jong Trofimus haka khat patrik ujemang arhaja unriu na ke benta bende ya ke postmortem Lale kene banlap ke jing shisha ke badai halor ke jing sha keno ba Trofimus udah syasho hadu bandayap ba ulah syasho orang ba snong bagi khot ke VDP ke snong penter habe keren halor kene uba Vivex em le tu ba haga jing shisha labo ya ka khat san tarik jong nai jemang ban klong ya ke met yap nang banyo ban le ke postmortem ndai namar ke jing snio kusun beneng lapen kan ria ano saka khat pra tarik jemang ulah kedauru ba ke met yap lah put ba namar wadap shimnai tam na du ka nyau tarik bena yayong penban ki kemi lenti ba ke jing le postmortem kan ai ya ka sakhi ke basai kalau ke dau jong ke jing yap la ulah syap nyap ni ulah yap ni ke pat ki dau ulah pensha syo bahadin balayo ke report ki pulit kin sa shim ke rai la kadan kam ne am ujor ki yang syari ban pendam no ke jing yo ya ke anticipatory bail jong gitu ke basai ke no dan keti Superintendent ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills ule thuru ba ke jing toket ke ya chakmat ban pejisha la ke jing yap ke dai na ke no ke dau nre ulong ba ban tip tikna la ke jing syasho ke dai na ke jing syap nyap ne ula pen mensawi la de on sa shine la yo ya ka kai pot jong postmortem ki pulit kidang toket benia ru na brok kiliang kan thop ga video ke blasa priang ba ke jing shine ki brio ke bedan ngane ke jaka ban tip ke jing shisha la ban pen kan ma hong ne badu mental don khat wingut ki brio ke belayo ya ke anticipatory bail la ban krau ruhang ne ba ke ne ke jing ujor ejhar la le ukpa jong Trofimus persai di khat ka VDP bad orang ba snong ke penter hakabo ke no bekila show yu kunju hadu wa unda klat no
Postmortem was done on the spot. We will await the report, the postmortem report, to ascertain whether the person was murdered or whether it was or whether he died from a natural cause. Thereafter, we will take a call whether we to move court for cancellation of the bail, and thereafter cause arrest. It's been since 7th of April, so it is decomposed. But let us hope we will get some clues on the cause of death. Investigation is still on to actually really ascertain whether the assault by VTP, yes, it is a fact that some assault had taken place due to an altercation and issue which happened in that household, where the VTP and the headman had to interfere. But we are to ascertain whether the assault caused the death, or whether it was self-inflicted, and or it was a natural cause. That will all be clear after the post-mortem report is out. All angles to the case, right from the video, people who were there. We are trying to ascertain more witnesses into the case, and thereafter come to a conclusion and whether these people are guilty or not. And 11 people have taken anticipatory bail. That means their involvement is surely there. Other witnesses who bystanders or who are present on the spot, we are trying to ascertain that because they become independent witnesses to the case.
Superintendent Kipulet ke distrik East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula pensyai halor ke jingyo jamin ke sonam Raghuvanshi ke beran ketih ke kampanyap ya ukurim jongka ubreru unong kayi ne endor uraja Raghuvanshi hakapor bekiwan Shanghai honeymoon syasora uba Vivek CM ula penpau bagi jingyo jamin halor ke nongrem bagadan ke jing bakla tho lane ka clerical error hakaba number jong ka section ula kala berobor na ka shis palai syaka saus palai ula pencai bagam dan setia ka section saus palai hap okaan BNS bagam dei baganong syak keno kam snguthu ikinong rem halo kejing kem yaka warga por bayo eka transit reman hakamat unong bishar lapan suthu syai bahai kanong rem jong kejing kem baganong syak keno ka snguthu syai bakala kem yaka halor ka kampanya brio penman gyeng syari kala syem ekur kom tho ka bopher bat kala permi ko hukum baginong rem kejing kem amsyam lapan snguthu yagani ka blasya keno halor kani ke bentan nak liang Kipulet ke ujor biang ha ke high court persyak ke hukum ke district court bat superintendent Kipulet ula kentat bagani ke jingyo jamin kan pentelot de jinglong jingman halor kani ke jingja namar Kipulet keladap ban penkre ke charge sheet bagi dan kisaki ke babiang bat ki bascam persyak kani ke belasya keno uba Vivek CM mulong bagi sonam kelasya atau ketshwa hakaman magistrate ha Gazipur ubal ay ke transit remand halor ka kam kabaydai bagi jing peniap brio Bat haba lawalam pat yaka hakaman unong bishar lapan sungto ubyang yaka bakum kaduma kadai halor ka kampanya brio. Hakabedai ba kejingyo obor yarap na kimuktiar dakaan lane ka legal aid. Superintendent Kipulet ulong ba kani ka bor bat kajing shimrai ki yang syari kabadan hangto. Barudan kajing syania bakalayo ya ka legal aid namar lada unong syak keno umdan muktiar ki yang syari kajupan biang hi ya ki legal aid. Kani kejingyo jamin ke sonam Raghuvanshi kawan hadian kumba shipau benai bagladan hapok patok halor ka jing peniap ya ukurim jongka uraja Raghuvanshi wala Kipulet keladak ban penkre ka charge sheet ka berben bat kebadan news pak kendai posla kani ka charge sheet ka kedau ya sangut kibrio kebadan keti ya ka jing peniap ya uraja Raghuvanshi ubala sya peniap au benai jembang kesnam belalet kini ki basya atho ka charge sheet ki kentup ya ka sonam Raghuvanshi uparlok jongka uraj Kushwaha bat laingut ki dekat peniap brio basya sio pisah dan ki contract kala ki beri Vishal Singh Chauhan Akash Rajput dan Anand Kurmi ki babaro kila syak keno bagidan keti ban peniap ya uraja.
She was produced in Gazipur and before a magistrate out there and
the judge
we got transit remand from there based on section of murder. And when she was produced again out here before the production magistrate, also she was given to understand that that the offence committed is for murder. So we don't see any reason why she could not have understood that she was being produced here for murder. I'm quite sure that she may have been given legal aid out there. Any accused who actually does not have any counsel will be provided legal aid. Was given bail on the grounds that due to clerical error, a section, the number of the section was changed from 103 to 403. There is no 403 in the BNS, and the grounds of arrest. It is not that the grounds of arrest were not made to understand. When the transit remand was made, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand to the accused. During production, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand, and the accused had understood that she was arrested for murder. But court has taken a different stand and given order that grounds of arrest were not made to be understood by the accused. We have appealed for that. It does not mean that there will be any difference in the trial, and the charge sheet is there. We have enough evidence against the accused. Bail does not mean that it will in any way dilute the outcome of the trial.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Senio Balang Dhar uloong bakalong kebabakla ba Presiden ke MPCC ubak Vincent H. Pala on kenok baki jing penbet put hapadeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam kadai ke Bapulom. Hendrai ke Sarkar MDA kalayat hakalenti da ke Bashim jing mut chua na kipat ba kathan kaput bat day na kaneka daw baka neka kam kala shimpor.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ubak Senio Balang Dhar ula kentaj ya ke jingkeno Presiden ke MPCC ubak Vincent H. Pala. Ubalong baka jing penbet put apedeng ke Meghalaya baka Assam kadai ke Bapulom. Nama ke Sarkar kala penbet tang para Sarkar. Ubak Senio Balang Dhar uloong baka ni ke jingkeno kadai ke babakla nama ke Sarkar MDA kala sedang syua da ke jing selok baka jing shim ke jing ajing mut neki patba hagithan kaput kumhalang pi hari boy bat lapangap. Baka dehi nakane ka daw kubak penlong ya ke kam bakan cimpor. Ulapan pauru bagane kamat kadai ke belas ateng mentala san pusan senam. Bat kiwik Sarkar barem kim nuat watang ban keta netung ya ki komiti ru ban penbet ya kane. Ban kadai ke Sarkar MDA ke banuat ban simkya ban penbet no ban ka klem syong tang bacu klikti. Ubak Senio Balang Dhar ula kedau bah ke benta ke menengkong ke jingi penbet yo puat kalayat bet. Bagi pat ba kila kemen wala kidong kijing dunah ne yang tai. Bar ulapan ko de ke baong ba ke Sarkar kadai ban yo ke jing ai kublai. Namar kela nuat ban simkya halor kene kamat ke belah simpor haduk san pos nem tam banwan.
Ki keren ban discuss ye ka boundary issue ki kop ban give and take but ka Assam but only in lip service. Right from the beginning I told last time also I remember I said na ong ba kene datang ka lip service kam don ka real ka bakin yasuk bat ka Assam delele kan melongkam bakin yasuk bat Assam mde tang government to government. Menisuk bat Assam ki discuss bat ki Briu jong ketu ke area bat ke distancel bat ke hima bat ke daloi leni ke Rangba Snong ki deban sim baro ki briu badan tu ndre ban su ya keren be chief minister kene ke jongki kene jenga kelapan ban rai kum snam
na katakan apa simpor nimla pani kena government de nakong nap simsa ka jimut ka advice negative local people from the area relative very clear kumnungin pinbay yang teklem dati babli trash nang tu. Hakanu for example de kalapi ne kariboy ne kalapangam ne ko ngimla mon chubulos nakong hap sim sa ka view jong gitu trash nang but bila atib luga teman reference of the committee ro nakong hap sim sa ki willing jong gitu nang kai bagi kwa only then we'll be able to discuss with the other counterpart. That is totally wrong and you know it very well. Kumo ni pinbay pun ki try te kagente kamu nolong melayan bataru nong silong yo nong berniat then always a government will listen to the voice of the people especially for this particular places who are residing in those areas kata ada ke bengi julai beros katu
tini kadai ke cibenta ban pen iba kane ke Sarkar ka kwa tang ban pen be ki breu reki kwa sha ban sol ye ga jing de ban khot ki breu na Assam khot ki breu la kala ban simpor ci benai ar benai la na som rai tang kan sol barok serta kini ban khot ye barok ki jai breu kham tam gitu ki besong ha border te menta ki wan ci sen arsen ki pendik ne ka janjar ndai tang ne Meghalaya ngi don border bon ki badon border Assam don Meghalaya Arunachal Assam to Assam barobor hu sek pendik he rek pek kumlo ka yu Arunachal ki pendik he ngatip rek jing jong i kalong ba kane Sarkar menta de tang ka lip service ndai don menta
dan nak kata kalau pai bak bobol we are different opinion kasimpor iku Sarkar pelatih isu wala satu senam tu pengu dai lagi ke Sarkar ke bestu penting ke di sen bagi Sarkar ke penting kan ini Sarkar wala format lagi komiti mentama penbay yo putusam awak nyamong nila pai but we are trying our best kan nila imsong kelang kita di ke Sarkar miswa mudah menurut teman formulir dalam komiti ro the fast fish la asal pelatih and very good we are very happy. Yes, kelak menang ke plus minus yang harum, and that is always border dek border. Tiga isu bah simpor sampul semula man penbet. Hanya beriman aku beli ke Sarkar, alis bangila sim dia kan ni senjam pa kodor bayar do. Ini mau mengilak man penbet, but we are very serious on these issues as a government.
Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela ubak Wailat Miki Shella ulapan pau ba Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng ubak kami Ketenat Youth Affairs and Sports bat Menteri kena ke Sarkar Pedeng kenwan seselong hakatayo banwan bala kami lenti ban pendep ya ke jing pentemai ya ke jing soy ya ke jing tekular ban penlong ya ke National Games arajar arponyo hajala Meghalaya. Unong aikting ke sorkar ula dawaru na ke sorkar pedeng banwan ra ya ki an ki baklan bat perking ban pentikna ya ki jingya renti ke examine NEET UG bat kiwei de ki examine kenang ba ki samla hapo kari India barok kawai kenum du minsim.
Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela Meghalaya ba awailat Miki Shela ulapan pau Menteri Ketenat Youth Affairs and Sports jangka sarkar Penang Dr. Mansukh Mandavia lembat Menteri kena bat kiha officer Ketenat Sports na Delhi kinsawan Shillong hak arkukra berarkunai trek ujemang bandan bentah ke jingelang habakran beklar patai kubor ka khat kendai trek ujemang arajar arpun rio ba awailat Miki Shela uliatho bayagni ko kubor ulayo atang da ketien Ndrai empat dan kejing tho, bat kini kejing elang kan long nak bentak ka kenhuan Mai Bharat ka badan haman kejela. Bat kalong kamtam nak bentak ke Eastern Zone ke bentuk ya berok kejela ka than chitilam mingi lembat ke Odisha bat West Bengal. Menteri uliat ru bah katayo ke balalet ke kenhuan ke officer na Shillong kalalet cha Delhi bene syong perkat bat ka tenat ilakai jong sarkar Penang halo kejing pertama ya ke soskular. Namar lakumbah nyo haduk prasnem naduk belaya soyaka. Mental dan kambat penbet ikat tu kini kejing bakla namar belas lem pelat kapur. Barhabak lekran buat menteri nak sarkar Penang boleh tu bagi dia kejing pertama ke soskular kan urlong haga laipo ne laipo terik ujemang Hashilong. Halor kejing penkre igi madan bagi cakai lekai ba wailat Miki Shela ulong ba kejing kre kaya ceprang pamenta. Makanya kalau hadian babun kikin huan nak tenat ia lekai ke sarkar Penang manak Indian Olympic Association kilawan kemi badi ki cakai lekai Haga bagi lapan pau kejing sohon halo kejing penkreak jong kejela. Ula benrap mana kebentak kijak jeng ilakai boper kindan kimadan bagi kamera ilakai kepala biang. Bagi jela kedan ruk kimadan lada dan kam. Ula penpau bahaga lempong jong ka kenhun menteri kebelalek. Kamang tengka barok kebatmu ban penan kam kalong kumba nerus pak keluar tengka. Bahaduk mentai kena kepisah barok kan long tek na kepala tengka kejelahi. Ula kermen ba kindang yai budian nak ketenat ilakai ke sarkar Penang ndrai mentahi patla penetho tikena namar kasyong ha ke sarkar Penang bat namar ba ke sarkar jela kena ya ceprang menpenan kam da kamang tengka na ke jela.
Actually just yesterday I received a verbal message because still now I have not received any official like in writing. But according to that message that they have informed us that the Union Minister of Sport along with the Minister of State along with the different sport official will be coming on 28 here in Meghalaya, in Shillong, where on 28, 29 there will be this meeting where they used to call this Chintan Shivir. So they used to have this meeting. So this meeting will be for Mai Bharat group team which are there in every state, and this meeting will be for the Eastern Zone. This Eastern including all the Northeastern state along with West Bengal and Orissa. So this meeting will be on 28 and 29. And last week our team from Shillong they have went to Delhi to sit with the sports ministry regarding the to renew the agreement, because it was I think almost 7 to 8 years now where we signed the agreement. So there was some correction to be made because it's quite a long time. So that's why we want to renew this agreement. So that's why. So and when we spoke to them, then the minister himself then said it's better that we'll do it here in Shillong. So that will be happening on the 30th of this month. Preparation is going well. It's going well as of now, and like I'm not just saying as a sport minister, but I'm saying with especially after the many visits from different team, from the sport ministry and last time from the this Indian Olympic Association, and many people who came and visited and did the inspection on the site, and they also were quite satisfied with our preparation right now. Then there will be the for different discipline there will be like separate field of play. So right now we have a sufficient number of ground or indoors and for the events. That's what I can say. We have plenty of number. Even we have a backup ground also right now.
Unong aiktian ke sorkar MDA ubolong ru menteri sorkar uba awailat mekishla ulapan pau gijing sokya halor ka jing bamdan ka song san hagitan kaput kamtam halapangap nakadaw baka Karbia Anglong Autonomous Council ka jukalaktian bat pinkan berobor ginong rem ba gijing keren jongka ulito bagani gijing ja kamdai kasian ka banengkong bat man kapor ke sorkar ka jie kendo badekran ba ke sorkar Asam bat penbet igini kenrup kenram Menteri ulapan kan mau bahapok sorkar MDA ladan gaji shimkia ban penbet yuput usam nakikat artli gijaka kibadan gajingnya kaja. Haga bamantah hendriu teli nikini lalak ban penbet kat basah hendriu telipat kidang saateng. Ula kedau bagi por kebalalet ke sorkar kelekran bat ke Asam ban pentikna bagi beriu nikini kitan kian yolat ban let rapat kilengka bagi jakatung jingtung jongki ban mentaru gejingi trailang hapdeng ki deputy commissioner bat ki superintendent ki pulet nabro artli gejela karang ya chkamat rang bantek lakam ya gejing kelaktian jong ka Karbia Anglong Autonomous Council uba wailat miki shla ule thu bagi jing kran halor ka kamput kilasange ashwakan diat namar ke election ha Asam Menta bagi election kaladab bagi sorkar temai kelawan mereka yang ke sorkar MDA kan sedang biang sasisian di kejing ekran bagi ke sorkar Asam ulapan pau bagi thong ke bahakamat jeng ke sorkar kalong ban penbet tek ya berok kat artli gejaka ke badan kejing per bagi kejing kaja wala kalong ke besitom ban shemekarai kamtam bat kibri ke besong hitan kaput ulapan kot bagi sorkar ke dan kejing kular ke baskem ban yai beteng pada ekran sani na baro arliang na kebenta berwadra kejing penbet ke bapaka bat kebay biang ya baro.
This is not happening for the first time. In the past also several incident has happened, and then we have approached the Assam government, and like you under the MDA government, as you all know that we have really pushed for the border issue. And out of the 12 areas of difference, now 6 have been we have solved. So this another 6 which are very sensitive. So last time also, this if you remember during the harvest time, they were not allowed. So from the government also we pursue the matter, and we had a talk with the Assam government, and then later on then they were allowed to harvest the crops. So this time also the negotiation is on, and our DC, our SP are in close contact with each other. But the thing is here that especially from the Karbia Anglong area, especially from this Karbia Anglong District Council, now because they have been changing their statement again and again. No doubt we have come in a verbal agreement. Okay, we'll do this. But in a matter of hours, then they change again. No, we cannot do like this. So that is what we are facing the challenges right now. But thankfully now, I think since all this time, because as you all know that there was an election in Assam, so that's why we have to stop the talks of on the border issue. So now I'm now because the election is over, so they have now we have a government there. So definitely from the government we'll start again the talks, the negotiation with the Assam government, and let's hope that we'll come up with a mutual agreement or a solution on this. See, from the day one when we start to resolve the border issue, when we start the talk with the negotiation with the Assam government, our commitment was to resolve it completely, all the 12 areas of difference. So that is our aim, our goal. So definitely this also our target is that we should completely solve it. But as you all know that the most difficult part is to decide, and then and especially with the people living there. So it's not easy, but the government is committed and will continue to talk. But what our belief is if we sit and discuss and talk. So I think reasonable solution will definitely come.
Menteri ketenat kekot kekia ke jela Meghalaya ubak wailat miki shela uladawa na ke sorkar pedeng banwan rakyat an ki baklan bat perkheng ba ban pentikna ke jingyat bed ke examen NEET UG bat kiwe ki examen naman ke jingle bamsud nyo jongga National Testing Agency NTA kalapan artatien bat penduk mensia megi samla pulia bat ki kimi ki kpa hagari berokawai. Menteri ula penrem jori gini ke jingja bat ula kentui ke sorkar pedeng ban chimi senja mamardor bani opat ke jing shania jengkipat ba. Hadin bu menteri ketenat pulih putih ke sorkar pedeng ula kular ban lek rega beteng nang ne syakmat ban penrem yakum kini gikam. Ha ka bedai bagi jinglong eksamen biang ubak wailat miki shela ula kerpat ki samla pulia na Meghalaya bat negari berokawai ki be kon ya ke NEET bakim dai ban senguduk mensiam ne syak penduk Borno. Dari ban shime kani kum ka kabu ke baar bat kalat ban trish tom ban poi syakathong. Menteri ula penpauru bagi NTA kala shimkya ya kani kakam bagla depan benai ka trek bertemai na kebentar ke eksamen NEET UG. Kawa ula kedau bakan longa arpoi trek ujeliau ubanwan lada embakla.
Only Meghalaya, it is affected all over the state. All the who have who have appeared in the exam. Like I said, it is very unfortunate event, and we never expected this. But like the other in my previous statement, also I have mentioned that since this being done by the central by the NTA, so no doubt I really condemn this, and at the same time I will urge the central government. They should, I think, even a few days ago, the Union Education Minister have come up with a statement that from now on there will be strict action will be taken, and they will see that this kind of things should not happen in the future. So that also I like in my previous statement also I said that central government has to come up with something in order to gain the trust of the people of this country, because this has been happening in I think even in the past as well, because and we know that when this kind of things happen, it really demoralizes the student who gave the exam and also the parent behind them. So I think I would like to see that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student and the parent. And I will urge the student that they should not feel discouraged. No doubt swift action has been taken, and then I think the fresh date already announced. So I'll urge them that to not be demoralized. This is the second chance you have got. Work hard, and I think we are together on this. Like I clearly in my it's my clear message that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student. But this kind of thing will always happen in our life. So you should not feel discouraged. You should always be motivated and work hard.
Menteri Ketenat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ubat Methodius Dekar hakasi balang jong katayo ulong baki jingkiu dor ke umpanyang petrol bat diesel hakini ke kendiat sengi kadai ke balale da ke sorkar pedeng nak ke jingkie ke thama pedeng kari Amerika bat kari Iran ke balawan ra ya ke jingkiu dor ya ke umpanyang ke bompat san ha ke perthai barok kawai. Ula penting kenaru bakam don kenu ke jingduna ke LPG cylinder ha ke jela hendrai ke don kampat ya ke rukom trekam ke babiang ha ke rukom sam yaki.
Menteri Ketenat Food, Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs ke jela Meghalaya ubat Methodius Dekar. Ula ong bahagi ni kesengi keladon ke jingkiu ke dor ke petrol bat diesel. Penban kene kamdai na kaliang ke sorkar jela hendrai na ke sorkar pedeng. Kadau tenrai kene ke jingkiu dor ke dena ke thema ke bajam mentah. Kabalawan rakyat jingkiu dor ke umpanyang ke bampat san ha ke perthai berokawai. Shua ban kia ke thema ke umpanyang bampat san ke duna ke dor kat baban tapat ke lakiu dor bah. Bat day namar kene ke dau ba ke sorkar pedeng ke ban penkiu ke dor ke petrol bat diesel. Ha ke bayi day ba ke sorkar jela kampat diok benekeren halor kene ke kam namar ke jingkiu dor kadang shu sedang bat kadang beteng. Bat empat tip hadu kat no bat lanu kan sange kene ke jingkiu dor ne lakan nang kiu shushu na kajing beteng kathma uba Methodius dekharu la penpau bana mar ba empat tip ke eg banja kom ta sarkar jela kampat che mekarai ei bankan haban apshwai kajing long jing man ha kaperthai ulo ongru ba kom ba kajing kiu dor kadang dei tangkat tu kanisngi ba empat tip lakan nang kiu na kan herno nrei lada kadang don kajing kiu dor shushu na kaliang ka sarkar kan sa syong ban perkhat de kumwei halor kumno ban penduna ya ka khajna value added tax ba kajushim na ka sarkar jela Ulaban rap ba kabakentop belada kani kathma kan kotno desi kejing kiudor kalak ban herno bagador cukup niang ru kan her kumta ke sarkar kandang perkhat benia halor kani halor kejing penuna dor gimar gimata na kejing kiudor ke petrol ba diesel menteri ulapan pau baga sarkar jela kadon ke price monitoring committee ke baklet chief secretary bagi district dan ke district price monitoring committee bat ke syong hakipat ba pen ujor ne ban pentip lada kadon kejing pen kiudor ke bapalat yaki mar ki mata haki yo kihat ulong baka stok ya ke petrol bat diesel kadang biang kum baka julong balada ka bathamai ka monru ke jela ka doni ka stok ka babiang lada ja kum no bat ka jing supply ka bathamai ru ka dei ban beteng thik pathek klem sange
na kali kini kisi iba ka don ka jing kiu ya ka diesel ka dor ka diesel ka petrol Tapi kani kacing penkiu ya ka diesel bat ka petrol kumbal omni ba kamdei na kali ka state government ma kani kacing penkiu ya kani ka dor ka petrol ka diesel kadai hina ka central government nanti bat ka daw kacing penkiu ya kani kalong ba na kadai hina ka thma ka ba jia mata po US bat ka Iran ba kacing kiu jong kani ki crude oil man shwa ya ka thma ka crude oil ka khamduna ka dor mata din ka thma ka jing duna ka supply ka crude oil ka kiu ba Jadi lor kata kanorin bana ka central government ki pen kiu ya kani ka dor jong ka diesel bat ka petrol. Tene ba dei bat ba ka state government ba pi ong ba ka ka step itu na kani jong ka state government ba kan le nam taban le se ban penduna ya kata ka dor jong ka diesel bat jong ka petrol. Te hadu kan menta na kani jong ngin pat yo ban syong na ban ya kren nomor ba kani ka increase kadang ya menta ki ka tu kan ni sing kani ka jing kiu jong ni ka dor. Bat kumba kalau mentangi na parla bat ong pakan kiu hadu kumno kan wan hadu kumno bat lano kan ka jing kudar kan kut bat lano kan kut bat lano kan dang kiu syu ro mat kumba kalau mata ka situation akan ka partai hi kumba kalau mata ka thma po ka Iran bat ka Amerika te kala ban le sing la ban ong ba kadon ka jing persang ba ong kan le sikan sasang eno adin ka to kan ni po kadon ka jing kermen ni kata don do kata ka jing perkhat balik se kanang slim syu ro tolong bang ka situation kadang long alom talong kampat long stable nani kampat long scam bangin ong kumno te de lor kata ka bantab na kali ka state government ngimpat kwa la ban sim ya no ka decision ro ngin hap apsha ka to ni por ngin pe to kolong kumno ya kanika situation ka balong mata hapo ka partai hi ro ko te ndai kumba kan ka jing kiu jong kan ka dor ma to kidang kiu dang manta dang kumba ka to kan ni singi ka to kan ni tiyong bat kumba ong pi bang ngimpat la ro ban ong bakan long kumno hakini ki singi ban wan lakini kipor kipan wan lakani ka dor kan kiu kumni kumba kolong menta ne kan sahiar no le la kan ka la kan ka tma ka kun tina kali ang jong government ngin nom parla ban shime kanu no karai yamanta ngin ape chwa ka to kan ni so por kan ko to kan tiyo tela sela da kadang kiu shu la da kadang ya shu ka ta ka jing kiu jong ka dor tina thai ngin saya syong bani per khat bala da ka don em alat kan tiang ngin reduce ka ta ka watts ne kan ka tax ba ka sim na kali ang jong state government ten kai ngimpat syong matan marba le se kuma on pi bale se kala kan ka tma ka kud no ro te se kan ka jing kiu dor jong ki crude oil na te le se kala ban here dor no te kan so kan sapoi biang ka jing le se ka dor ka sahab yang ya ka diesel ba ya ka petrol ta du kita ipor ngathangin hapan ya apsha ka ngin hap apsha ka to kan ipor Ikum balong mata ka stok jong ka diesel ba ka petrol kalong normal kum to kumbang ijudan man kasi ka petrol ba ka diesel ka poi stok man step men mit ala SMC kila adi ma temen mit bia ala sen la sam step la poi biang ka stok thamai dan kidi biang te kumbalong kumakini si belum mala ka buffer la ne ka ong bangidan be ka stok ba ka stok ba la ngim yo ya ka new supply ro long ba ngendom don ka ching ya kono ma ngidan kum ta minimum sanksi ro sposi karon ka stok la ngim yo ya ka no supply hapo kita ki sanksi sposi ro tendai kelomba kadang ka jingnot bat ka jing pendap yang bade kalong regular bit man kasi menta ma kumapi menta step kawan management je sibet janmit kawan kide bade kumla sai motel next particular order biang kat kum ka jing don kam joko no ka to ka pat petropom ikini ke namta kini essential commodity kumba man hakini kipor kibala adem hapor bakala jia kan kat manu nakaliang jong ka state government ngidon kan ka price monitoring committee ba head to chief secretary te nata haki district ba phero ngidon kan ka district price monitoring committee ban make sure ban tikna ba kini ki essential commodity kimde ban chu ban kiudor klamda ka kino kitau ki babyang ani klamda kita ki approval na ki concern authority te lada ki don kita concern ba ong se ki katto ka ni ki benta ba ka don kata ka chik ban kiudor klamda ban kiudor palat banyak e ka ba MRP ne palat banyak ka dor ka balabu te na kling chik ba kinmi ki kini ki price monitoring committee ki bari hapo ki subdivision ki bari hapo ki district kenamba ban tip isangi go kenamba ngila ban simya ka step by ka action nam taban ya rab ba kunam don kun kita ki ba ban kiudor klamda ban kiudor rumah kini kita
Menteri Ketenaga Food Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs ubat Methodius Dekar ula pencai bakam don ganu kejing duna ki LPG cylinder ha kejela ula pen kan mau bahagi kendiat tayo ke balalet kejing maham ba kejing kulmar jingmut alo katma kala penlong ye kejing long jingman ka bakam seniu penban menta kejela kadon ha kejaka ka basngan bat ke babiang halor ke domestic gas ubat Methodius ula pencai bakam don kejing duna ndai kadon pat gurukom trekam lan ke sistem mentelakam ke gurukom sam gas kani kala penlong hi katu kani kinong penon kam man shemjing namar ka kendon bawei unong yo gas umla ban bok hapo ka arpsan sngi nadu ka sngi bo yo gas kaddo kabala penlong hi pat ba ban uot bat bitar bagi jing ujor ke bede bagi jing slam ban yo DSC number ondala da bok ya ka gas onda katenat kalawat benya la syam bagadaw bagi pat ba kim yo DSC number ka dinamar ba mobile number juki pat syam update ka system ane lese kila penkan ria ka jakashong kumta menteri ula kentu gi customer ba kila ban penpoi gi jing ujor lang ba ka WhatsApp group u toll free number la ne da ka belet gi gas agency baro naga bagi sham connection kenang ban pen bet gini gi jing menteri ula pentip ru ba kaliang o commercial gas kaladan ke jing duna kendiat menchua penban menta kador kalakam biang ba ka jing biang ga gas kalakiau syaka 100% hado nyopau naga shispa nakaliang jing don kam baro habis nujor bat kipor ki balalit no kumta ulapan pa bagajala kadon ka kerdan ka ba khamba halor ka LPG penban kam long pat kum kisngi ki bajulong benchwa
ba yakini ki domestic habis sha kam don ka shortage ma kam don ka jing dua ka don ka jing duna dan re ki don ni ki ba ki ba bot ba kimyo ya ka supply kimyo ya ka supply lan teng kimyo ya tu DSC number hangni ka kamdi ba ka shortage ka gas na kamdi ka shortage ka LPG tendrei nomor bang ibu ya kani ka regulation ban ong ba uno ba don ya ka connection umla ban apply hapo ka arpusan sni ti wahap abha do arpusan sni bu unla ban bu request biang ban apply biang ti kini kindian agaliang jong ki nok song sinong lan nakaliang kini ki beneficiary teng le se kalut no ka swag tak arpusan sni ti kidon kan kajing kajing ki Jadi nata kadaw nakaliang go jongi ro pensulur nakaliang jong ka nakaliang ki jong ki dealer ro kila pensulur ki ba pisim ya connection ya nek mencim alis arteli ki cylinder malah pibu tang ko baik cylinder tu merupakan don jing ya kan da kamar sulut te pinom yo ka ju ka sungi tele se kan sa don ka jing ya jadi pidon arteli alis pidon iwe pada isper ba pin nam ta pin abya nam ta ka arpusan sing tikini kidon ki ka nakadaw kini ki regulation tikidon ki ba asi ki ba syam jing ya kan Badon ro ki ba ki bomyo yung DSC number. Na kila persaman book ban call itu number ki myo itu DSC number. Te don ba kini kejia na kada ba ki kam update uno mobile number jongki how to system. Don ba de ro ki ba ki pat link yung wadha ro jongki te de na ta kada ba ki myo itu DSC number. Te la don kum kitu ki case nga suban kerpat e ki ba ro ba kim de ban leskim de ban ting na ki no panik de ba kim de kinet seketuka agensi ba ki ale kila agensi me connection ban kelar ban sim clarification na kira ne ban power to ban tu ki ya ba kim yo DSC number malana kim pat update yung mobile number la sim sa ki use to way number por ba ki sim connection mentab di kila change ro ba kin update ka system nama kinam na ban ya kan du ki chinga ki commercial kembang long tangi kam duna hi ma bangin yo e commercial tambah kan giat pada kadon ki improvement kumapor bakadang stanga ni ka thama prengka Amerika bat ka Iran haktu ko por na kalian jo central government ka ai ba tang 4% na ka chingdon kam mohdi ki por arta yo ka don kata ka ching bu jumki ba ki 20% ka cap supply tere menta ba din bangi atho na kalian jong na kalian jong ka ministry ka department ru ya pha request for ka central government ko union minister ban consider ka state ko chungi number ba ka state ka ba babun ki tourist ki bawan chakani ka chaka ka chungi tena kalian jo ka central government kala increase ka supply na ka 4% ka increase ka 4% na ka bangi yom ka tenrei kampat long pada kata chispa persen dan kampat long kembali kumba kalau ki normal time ba ngidon excess ya kini ki LPG kadang don ni ka constraint kadang don ni ka jing duna pertukan ni tambah ban ong ba kalong snu ka kumansaro kata kami pandai
Menteri Ketenat PHE Marquis N. Marak hagasngi balang ulakentat ya kejingkeno bagi sorkar kali Shiliang da kabaai ko kontrak kaba 1000 kendas pak klur tengka ya kaken hon kabana barjala bakadai kabala le bakla hendrai ulapan syai bagi jing aya kakam kadai kabala khot da katanda hakalenti kabakhoj bat kabasai kedar bat kam dan setia kanu kejing ya syaliang
Menteri Ketenat PHE Marquis N. Marak ulakentat ya kejingkeno bagi sorkar kali Shiliang da kabaai kontrak kumba 1000 kendai sepak klur tengka syaka company BAC Infratech Private Limited na Hyderabad berulong bakadai kababakla bat kabam dan nongrim da kabaong bakatenat PHE kayat bat buat perking ya barok ki kendor leng ba ka tender committee kabakhoj ban sam ki kontrak bak sorkar kamshim la le Shiliang khamat kumbala keno halur ke skim Jal Jeevan Mission kabalamang 1000 nyo spalai punyo point sau khandai klur tengka menteri ula pensyai bagi ni kambarok lasam syaki kontraktor bagi company boper ke bagi tradisional nrei ke project bahek kum ke JJM jika bat amrut 2.0 ke sarkar pedeng ke sarkar jela ke haban buat iki kendon turnkey bat EPC lane engineering procurement and construction guidelines kebamut bagi company ke biyo tender ke deban synahi nadong syadong naduk ke design haduk banda IT syaka sarkar menteri ulapan pau bagi ke company na Hyderabad ke yo ke kam dai namar bakalabiang ki jingdan kam technical bagi bor pentrai kam ha kapor bidding bagam dai setia bagi sarkar ke leak kat bagamon ula batha ikibapan RTI ban pensisha bhai jing shisha shwa ban permi kubor bot ula kedo bagi contractor trashnong kilala ban syem ki kam EPC bat turnkey kilong beduna ba namar kini ki kam ki bakhya kumta ki company nabar ki yo ki kam tang namar ke jing tebet bat ka bor pentrai kam jongki
they got the projects probably because it has gone through the tender whichever is required as per the tender process they have got it so therefore there's no question of favoring anybody there I would say this is totally incorrect PHE department follows all the norms which has to be adhered to especially in considering the contract works to everybody especially with regard to JJMs I would say there are total cost of JJM 6,737.1409 crore covering 3,762 stand-alone firms, stand-alone schemes and provisions of pipe water supply to schools and Anganwadi centers and other public institutions. And this has been, distributed across various local contractors and firms. And government is very, particular about following the norms. There is a tender committee also. Tender committee is headed by Commissioner Secretary, PHE, and officers from Finance Department and Law Department is also there. So all the norms are adhered to, and we don't simply favor anybody the way the paper has been alleged. So therefore, I will totally deny this. I don't agree with this. This is totally incorrect. Good that you have filed an RTI and you have gone through it. That is very good. You should file RTI. You should know the projects, how many projects have been sanctioned, what is the amount, and whom you have given the work. But after getting the report, if you simply start blaming, then that is totally incorrect again. So I would urge anybody who is filing RTI to verify it first, go to the grounds, and then come to the conclusion saying, oh, this has happened. So therefore, I would totally disagree with this statement. And PHE department has gone through all the norms, and we didn't favor anybody. And best practically, I would say that big projects like JJM, JICA, Amrut 2.0, NESID, O3, etc. This has to, this has to be tendered as per Government of India directed. Some of them have been given turnkey basis, and some of them has been given on EPC. You know that EPC, engineering, procurement, and constructions, which means it will start the design also, it will construct, and it will finish. And once it is finished, it will hand over to the department. So therefore, our local contractors, whoever will be capable of doing this, is very less, I would say. I practically, because the tenders are so clear and so transparent, there's no scope of manipulating or favoring anybody. So therefore, I totally don't agree with that. We have not been able to pay JJM bills till now, and it is not because of the government of Meghalaya or just not because of the PHE department. It is from the government of India. There are lots of conditions and criteria that government of India has given. So now, government of Meghalaya PHE department specially has done all the conditions, has completed all the conditions. Certain issues are there, Jal Ankalan, where we have achieved more than 70% also, there also. So we are almost completed the conditions given by the Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India, so that the payment can start. But there are certain issues still now, the issue was that under tight fund, 15 Finance Commission, the Government of India has given money to district councils, 3 district councils. So around, I think, 45 crores, it was given in the year 21-22. Now Government of India is asking the utilization certificate from them. So some of the district council has not completed the utilization certificate submitted with regard to that particular money. So therefore we are awaiting. So we just apprised Honorable Chief Minister about that, and he has directed the Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, to have a separate meetings with district councils so that the utilization certificate will be submitted, and accordingly we'll be able to claim the JJM payments from the Government of India.
Unang yalam kaseng NPP badu Menteri Sarkar Marquis and Marak ulapan pai ketian persya ya gajing keno unang yalam ke BJP Bernard and Marak uba keno bak Sarkar badu Menteri Rangba kino Shiliang badan gajingnya sela bad kinong yalam Muslim kiba penmi gajing kulmar hatura. Marquis and Marak ulapan syai begini gajing keno kilong kiba klem nongrem bad kiba temu tang bad pensyet upat ba. Namarkat kum keriti sensyari ka tenat bishar bad ka tenat penyat kam kata ka judiciary bad ka executive kiterekam la kejong. Badu Menteri Rangba dan Bor bentuklar ne ajamin ya kino-kino giberiu ke Basyakam. Ulak daw bagadai kaying syari ke Basyamekarai ban ajamin yau estemur mominin. Halo kinong rim bagi kenon an ki bagasokar hikam TBA. Kumta kinong keno kidai ban kelipen ban na kaying syari. Bad om ban taipop yau Menteri Rangba. Nagaliang Bernard and Marak ulapan paw kajing sengu artatian bad bo jingkeli la kadan em kajing selah pedeng Menteri Rangba bad mominin. Balakini kinong ilam Muslim kidon kamduna ki mokot duma bani kinong ilam Garo. Nama kejingnya selok badu Menteri Rangba Syuaban Poi Syatura.
Is there a nexus between CM and Ismatul Mominin and Sofia Rahman? Is the common question that is going around among the people of Garo Hills. It has been observed that Mominin and Sofia, they have been very active criticizing the people of Garo Hills and challenging the constitutional right of the Garos. And when it was requested that the non-tribals should not contest in the MDC election, they have forcefully, they came to Tura. They tried to file a nomination, and when obstructed by the mob, they were stopped from filing nomination, and they went back to Chibanang area, and they have actually instigated the people of that area who started attacking the Garo villages. And they have actually vandalized the statue of Lord Jesus Christ in Chibana market. In spite of that, minimum cases has been slapped on them and they're out on bail. Now, the civil society groups and the leaders of the NGOs who actually stood for the rights of the people of Garo Hills, the tribal people of Garo Hills, now they have been slapped with multiple cases and no bail is being granted to them. So the question is, why there is favoritism in framing charges against the Muslims and the Garos? Why CM is being partial? And Mominin has particularly cited in his pet speech that before coming to Tura, he has talked to CM, he has talked to Deputy CM, and he has talked to the opposition leader also, and they have no objection. They want them to contest. That's what he said. Now, is it because that they have been contacted, like the CM has been contacted before the whole thing started? Is that the reason why charges has been minimized? Is it why they have not been framed equal number of cases as has been charged on the Garo leaders? So this is the question, and we are asking the question now. Is there a nexus? Is there a nexus with the Muslim leaders who started the conflict between the Garos and the Muslims? Or is it just misuse of power against the Garo leaders? So CM should come clean and laws should be equal for all.
Bail was given by whom? Is it Honorable Chief Minister who has given the bail? No, it is not the Honorable Chief Minister. The bail was given from the court. So why don't he ask the court there saying ki Chief Minister was favoring or something? It's totally baseless. These are totally unacceptable statements. They're giving this just to mislead the people. Practically in our democracy, executive, judiciary are totally separate identities or entities totally. Constitutionally, judiciaries don't listen to the executives. Even we have lots of cases pending in courts, which we are fighting, But Bernard Marak is accusing Honorable Chief Minister favoring him because he got a bail. No, that is totally unacceptable, totally misleading. It's a judiciary or honorable judiciary who has decided to give a bail based on what we don't know. So therefore, it's totally baseless allegations.
Hashua bangin kmi iku kubor ke badang sa nginya pai biang shwa shipor sekini kijing penbana.
Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I am Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanirba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy, is surrogacy legal in India, how surrogacy is done, for all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu ndade por khamo.
Sister, hapsiu kat no ma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka pakordor.
Hashwa bangin peteng biang ke kubor ngin pinkan mau biang ya kimat bakong san jong ke kubor mentah katayo. Anyate kular ke sarkar jela bat ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ban ampentut ya ke kamrep halapangap. Lum jingalang usong knor ke yung dorbar thawaan halo ke jingte ya ke yung dorbar thawaan bathamai ke Meghalaya. Bami ke jing persya hapadeng ke bakersyan bat ke bapersya lapen sange no ya ke public hearing. Say ke pulit ya ke met jong uba tropimus banle ya ke otopsi. Ke sarkar jela kan sashim karai ban penduna ya ke khajana VAT lada ke dor petrol bat diesel ke dang kiu shushu. Bat pleu Menteri Rangba ya ke yang office bathamai jong ke 41 NCC Battalion Hatura. Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon rat kesang ma hakis ngi baar jong katayo ulapli patba ya ke kompleks jong ke 41 NCC Battalion ke badang syupen kendria thama syakasnong Cheranggri ke badon Hatura.
Ke 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC ketiga belas sedang nak jung benkai ke 15 Assam Artillery Battery NCC hagalai trek jelio kha khandai spa andrupuwei. Bat lapan kio kerdani kene ke unit syaka 41 Meghalaya Battalion NCC hau risau ke senam arhajar arpau. Kene ke battalion menta kan ketli ikam hikai NCC haki santli distrik jangkarilom Garo. Hapo ke border area expansion plan kene ke unit ke lapaniar ya ke jeli jangka nagilai teli ki college bandru teli ki school syaka hinyau teli ki college bat khatpra teli ki school. Bat ke battalion menta ke dan hinyau teli ki company bat shihajar shispa arpangut ki kadet bat arpsangut ki troop bat kumba arhajar sauspa ki kadet hado uyayong kesnam arhajar arpunrio. Kajeng penggeria ke battalion nasyilong citura hakalai tri uleber arhajar arpunrio kalau urlong namar bak sarkar kelai gieng bak jaka ban penhe igi jingtai bak jingdan kam jong kene unit. Habakran ke jingyalang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak NCC kawanra ke jinglong ke berhenti ke mensim edri ke jingtri shitom bak akor ke burom. Ke bapnuan dor ki samla syakinong chong shnong ki badan ke jingkit clear. Bat ke banjor ke jingkong san ke sensyar kadar ke baplet jingmot ki samla bak jingtau besisai ke kampen roy ke syong om na ke jing penlut ke pisa lan ke jingtrei ki bawan ra ke jingtai baper ndai ke jingdon ke jingkelai ke jingem lengba ke ne ke jingken show tengka. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ul odreben bat plat pat ba yo mau kerteng bat bot pat ke jingtung dieng bat pen ku buram ki kadat bala yoru ke jing syat bat ke jing pen I ya kiri tidus tur tenrai.
As you know, for us as a government, we don't see, or at least I don't see, schemes. I don't see programs. I don't see departments. For me, I see the person who's standing in front. And every single decision that I take as Chief Minister or the government takes is not driven by what the scheme demands. It is driven by what is good for the person in front of me. The success of the scheme or the program, or in fact the success of any government should be dependent on how it has impacted the lives of its people. Not by how many crores we have spent on a scheme. Not by how many buildings and hospitals we have created, but by how many lives we have saved because of that hospital that has come up. Development should not be looked at how many stadiums I have created, but it should be looked at not even from the number of medals that we have received, but it should be looked at how we have impacted the quality the overall skills, the overall values and principles that have been instilled in the child because of that stadium that has come up, which then led to tournaments being organized in that place, which led to the child practicing and dedicating himself or herself. And I strongly feel that if government and departments start to make their decisions and are able to look at the quality of life that they improve by what they are doing in the department, I think the overall development aspect and governance will completely change. It is adding value to the larger goal that we have as a state. I have always believed that our youth, they are exceptional. Our youth are second to none in this world. I don't say nation, I say world. And given the small push, given the right platform, given the different options, and given the necessary support, our youth can excel in any field, whether it's academics, whether it is sports, whether it is music, in any arena, in any area. Our children and our youth are second to none.
Te paralok baro da kitu ki kubor ngila pois ka bakut jong ka thup kubor jong iman ta ka janmir ngin sa syam byang bat phi la syam te yo kublai chipu